Oh, I don't like this. Bad news. What is it? Consumer Reports just put out a report. That's what they do. And it's entitled Electric Vehicle Ownership Costs, Chapter 2, Maintenance. You can see where this is going. Why is this bad news? Well, Consumer Reports did this analysis where they went through thousands of vehicle owners about their reliability surveys. They sent these surveys to the members of Consumer Reports because, as you know, Consumer Reports is like a membership organization. So they took all this data from thousands of these members and threw out all of the stuff like incomplete responses, vehicles that were kind of way out of whack and would skew the data to level out the data. And what they found was this page right here, which is not great news for the automotive aftermarket. And here's why. The lifetime maintenance costs by powertrain for an electric vehicle and a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle were half of what an ICE or internal combustion engine vehicle were. So it has it right here. $9,200 is the lifetime maintenance and repair costs for the average ICE vehicle. Then you go to the battery electric vehicle and plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, $4,600 and $4,600. So they calculate that the lifetime savings, estimated lifetime savings, of these two different types of electric vehicles versus an ICE engine powertrain is $4,600 difference. So $9,200 versus $4,600. And they show at the top of the report, intro. Electric vehicles are generally less to maintain because they have electric motors and other drivetrain components that have fewer moving parts than internal combustion engines, and they don't require fluid changes. Now, I'm sure there's some caveats there, but for the most part, your electric vehicle isn't going to have those fluids that you're used to topping off and making sure are in good working order. Anyway, this is not great information. I mean, no, it's great information, but it's not great in the sense that it's half. And I think about states like California that are trying to mandate that all vehicles are electric vehicles by 2030 or 2035 or something like this. I think it's 2035. The next 15 years, they want no new vehicles sold to be ICE engines, which, if you sort of do the math with a state the size of California and the number of drivers that they have, that would be an astonishing amount of maintenance just cut in half. Anyway, so I'll leave a link to the report, but anyway, Consumer Reports electric vehicle ownership costs are about half of what an internal combustion engine is. Now, you can't fight this stuff. It's going to happen. Vehicles are developing and evolving and things are happening, and you can't stop that sort of evolution. But yet you do have to roll with it and expect that if you have a shop or if you supply a shop, it just goes up the chain and down the chain, for that matter, of what these effects are of electric vehicles and how much less can be expected to be put into the businesses that maintain ICE vehicles. Anyway, something to think about.